Roses are red, violets are blue. I like cars and monkeys and a little bit of glue. Is this for your crush? Of course it's for her. I don't think you should write that. It's the cars, right? Like, she might not like cars, like how I like cars. I don't think it has to do with the cars. Yeah? You're not saying anything about her. And I think the problem is the monkeys. Okay, let me start again. So, roses are red, violets are blue. I don't like monkeys and glue. What about you? Junior, stop talking about monkeys and glue, okay? Just say something about her. Let's try that. Okay. Roses are red, violets are blue. You are pretty. Yeah, I like that. Like Scooby-Dooby-Doo. I think you should stop with the poetry a little bit. Let's go for a walk, right? And then we can talk about how not to talk about monkeys, glue, and how she looks like a dog. Yeah, I like brainstorming. Yeah, brainstorming.